Why does the US care so much about Greenland, a frozen island with just 60,000 people? Why did America once try to buy it? Why are tech billionaires funding projects there? This is not about ice actually, this is about power, control, and the future world order. Greenland sits at the most strategic location on Earth. It actually controls Arctic shipping routes, missiles and satellite paths, military access between North America, Europe, and Russia. As Arctic ice melts, shipping time between Asia and Europe drops by up to 40%. And geography equals power here. The US already operates Thule Space Base in Greenland. From here, America tracks satellites, missile launches, threats from Russia actually. And in the age of hypersonic missiles and space warfare, Greenland is the high ground. Greenland is actually rich in rare earth metals, uranium, lithium, and graphite. And these are actually very much critical for EVs, AI chips, defense tech. And right now, China actually dominates rare earth supply. The US wants to break that dependency actually. And here is where it gets controversial in the world. A tech-backed group called Praxis wants to build sovereign city zones with no democracy, no courts, no traditional laws, and cities run like corporations. People treated as employees or shareholders, not citizens actually. And report says Praxis has raised actually 100 million US dollar from elite tech circles. Some backers are linked to Sam Altman and Peter Thiel. Thiel also funded US Vice President JD Vance's political rise with 15 million US dollars. And former insiders claim employees were encouraged to read material or narcissism and fascism, which actually raising serious ethical concerns here. And for the US, Greenland offers strategic military dominance, secure future minerals, tech experimentation zones, and reduce China influence in case of rare earth metals. This is not colonization in old terms, it is strategic control through capital and technology. When government weaken, capital does not wait for democracy, it buys land, it buys influence, and sometimes it tries to buy sovereignty. And Greenland is not just ice, it may decide the next global order.